Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power is actually reaching the Chromebook. Check the charger LED and try a different outlet or cable. Once done, remove all peripherals, SD cards, and USB devices so they can't block boot. Next, perform a hard reboot. Hold power plus refresh for about 10 to 20 seconds, then release. This forces a hardware reset and clears transient faults so the firmware can try a clean boot. If the reset didn't work, diagnose battery and firmware. You want to ensure the charger is the right wattage and connector type. A damaged cable can show misleading LEDs. If you can, remove the back cover to inspect the battery connection. Make sure cables are seated. Next, force recovery mode with ESC plus refresh plus power. This reveals firmware or OS corruption messages. While in recovery, the Chromebook either shows recovery instructions or a hardware code you can use to decide the next repair step. Now perform repair steps. Disconnect the battery, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect to clear onboard power states. This often revives a unit that won't power. Make a USB recovery stick using the Chromebook recovery utility on another computer and follow on-screen prompts to reinstall firmware and OS if recovery mode showed software errors. If the Chromebook still won't power, test with a known good battery or charger. And one final tip. Record any LED blink or beep patterns. Those codes guide technicians.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.